Welcome to the ultimate beach retreat. Sunshine, umbrella, and a comfy chair await. But hold on tight because there's a twist in this tropical isle. You step into the sunlight, ready to soak up the day. But within moments, you are sprinting back for cover. Your skin, once radiant, now bears the telltale signs of tanning. But fret not, because we have got just the remedy. Introducing a secret blend with slices of golden banana, chunks of juicy papaya, and a few more mysterious ingredients that we will keep under wraps for now. This homemade detan face pack will combat unwanted tanning and restore your skin's natural glow. I am here to tackle the one-day detan challenge. Get ready for the big reveal, folks. Let's jump on the ingredients now. First up is Fuller's Earth at your service. It's not just any clay. It's the superhero of skincare. This powerhouse ingredient tightens pores, fights acne, and evens out your complexion. To use it, we have to first soak it in water. Crush it and then make a smooth paste out of it. Let's talk about papaya power. This tropical fruit is a lot more than for snacking. We'll be using papaya to gently exfoliate the skin. It clears out dead cells, revealing a fresh complexion. Next is honey, nature's nectar for your skin. It's the sweet solution to those stubborn tans. Honey has properties to lock in moisture, helping to hydrate parched skin and restore its natural balance. Plus, its antioxidant-rich composition helps repair and rejuvenate sun-damaged skin. Now let's shine a spotlight on the humble yet mighty banana. Packed with vitamins A, B, and E, along with potassium and natural oils, bananas work wonders to nourish and hydrate your skin. Next, we have turmeric. This ancient spice is the perfect ingredient to combat tanning and reveal a more radiant complexion. Now it's time for creamy curd. Packed with lactic acid, it acts as a great exfoliator which helps in removing dead skin cells. Friends, if you are curious to know more about exfoliation, I have made a complete video on it. You can go there by clicking on I button showing on your screen. Now coming back on our topic, get ready to witness the magic as we blend these powerhouse ingredients into a detan potion for your skin. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits to the table, working in harmony to banish tanning and reveal your skin's true glow. It's time now to create the ultimate detan face pack. Are you ready to see the magic unfold? Brace yourself because the best is yet to come. Start with 6 to 7 slices of banana. Then add 4 to 5 big chunks of papaya, 2 tablespoons of curd, half tablespoon turmeric and 2 tablespoons honey. Now, to take this concoction to the next level, we have to blend it. This mixture is ready, but hold on, don't confuse it with the final mixture. Something more is waiting to be mixed in this. It's the one who had enjoyed in a pool of water few minutes back. Any guesses? Positive. It's Fuller's Earth. Now just add 3 tablespoons of it into our previous mixture. In goes the goodness. Banana slices, papaya chunks, creamy curd, vibrant turmeric, and sweet honey, all coming together for a skincare symphony like no other. Friends, mixing is a very significant step in making this potion. You must keep a little patience and keep giving it a good mix until you get a very smooth and fine texture. After some time, you will notice a well blended mixture, and at this point, you know this is the ultimate final mixture. Allow me to show you this very closely. Now jumping on the application part. On a clean surface of your skin, apply the detan pack evenly. Cover the entire area and spread it across the corners too. Once you are done, just allow it to rest on your skin for 15 minutes. Then wipe it off using a cotton. Friends, I hope you are noticing the change in my skin's appearance. Is looking more on lighter side and the tan has gone in minutes. This was all about my hand. Now please allow me to show you the results of this detan pack on my face. I started by taking a piece of cotton wet in water to clean dirt from my face first. Now here comes our homemade detan pack. Spreading it out evenly on my skin now. Since this pack has a very cooling sensation, I was like, and you know what, friends? This is what makes this detan face pack go on a big yes for summer days. It's really like a cooling agent. Apply carefully by avoiding it going into your eyes. Application done. Timer for 15 minutes started. The pack is now set and it's time to take it out. just finished using this amazing detan face pack. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to say goodbye to tanning and hello to glowing skin, I highly recommend giving this detan face pack a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you. It feels so much smoother and looks brighter, right? I'm concluding it by applying a mild toner. Honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect at first, but this pack really worked wonders. It's like my skin got a fresh start, and I'm loving it. And as I always say, don't just believe on my words. Go out and experience this pack and come back to share your comments below. Now please subscribe to get more videos like this. I thank each one of you for giving your precious time and joining me in this video. Until we meet next time, take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.